Hey Andrew, what's up? What is up? King Julian, what's up? What's up? Hello everyone, what is up? What is up? Great to see everyone in here. DG, my guy. Slickstar, what's up? What's up? I feel like I've seen you before. Garvesh, welcome. Johnny, what is up? Slickstar, yeah. Semis are very strong today, you're right. That's like I'm watching for tomorrow. Okay. People on YouTube, are you guys able to hear me? Okay, we're gonna wait about like 3 minutes for people to get their notifications that I'm live. So let's enjoy the music for now. Hey Dion, what is up? Wounded, not defeated. I haven't seen you in a while. I believe you're in one of my like early lives. Last year, I believe. Frank, what is up? Jose, welcome, welcome. Andres, both Andres. Oh, there you guys are both here at the same time. Slickstar, I will go over Tesla. Andres, CPI number good or bad tomorrow? Bad? It's obviously bad, right? Think about it. It's been bad for the past few months. Bad as in it's too high. That's the highest since 1980s. People on YouTube, give me those likes. No, I'm joking. I won't force you guys to like. But make sure you guys are subscribed though, okay? You know, we don't want to Andres says a bloody morning. No, I don't expect a bloody morning. But as I was saying, people who aren't subscribed to the YouTube, get subscribed so that you guys know when I'm live. Okay, you guys get a better view of my screen as well. So when I do my analysis or whenever I'm showing you guys something, you guys should be able to see a lot better on YouTube. Okay. Hey, Trader for Life all day. What's up? Chris, what's up, man? What's up? What's up? You're always joining. I love it. Morris, Eloy, everyone's joining. Amazing, amazing. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead and start. You guys should be able to hear my voice perfectly, both on Instagram and YouTube. Give me a thumbs up if you guys can hear me. Jose, you already did that, so just making sure nothing has changed, guys. Your first time? Frank, awesome. Awesome. Glad to see you here. All right, so we're gonna go over the market first. So right now, people are saying bloody, you know, it's gonna be a bloody morning. Where do you see that? How, what, you know, like what, where? You know, so we've been bouncing, okay, and the price is telling us that we're going up higher and higher, right? So let me just give you guys my overall thoughts, okay? This is a great bounce. We're nearly back in an uptrend, okay? I'm just being cautious. That's it. I'm just being cautious of this bounce. That's it. But we're back almost in an uptrend. We have a few cents left until we're officially back in the uptrend, okay? But I'm not going to anticipate anything until we see the actual market reaction tomorrow to CPI. I had a phenomenal day. A lot of my CFO Single Watch and CFO Discord members all had an amazing day. So if you guys didn't, then you guys weren't prepared like my CFO Single Watch members were. Thanks to the Sunday weekly newsletter. But like I said, you know, if you take a look at SPY on the weekly time frame, you know, where do you see the bloodiness coming in, right? So there's nothing here that's telling you that it's gonna be a bloody morning yet, just yet. Sure, I'm gonna see some consolidation. I'm gonna accept a small pullback tomorrow. Why not, right? Because we had a nice gap up, and usually, like I said multiple times, guys, you tend to see SPY filling in the gap, right? And guess what we did today? A little bit of perspective here. With this gap up right here, we filled in the gap that we made last week, okay, on Thursday. So we filled in the gap down that we made finally, right here. So, you know, it's just one of those things that, you know, you just can't say that, oh, because of a certain economic news like CPI, you know, the market's gonna go down. We're not even there yet, right? I don't see anything that's going down here, right? Yeah, SPY respects the gap more than most. Yes. So, you know, we filled in the gap while making a gap. So I'm not going to immediately assume that we're going to fill in the gap up that we made today, even though we filled in the gap down that we made last week. Does that make sense, guys? Everyone with me so far? And Morris, thank you. Big CFO vibes, take action. Yeah. So people, if you guys aren't in the CFO Single Watch, okay, I gave you guys a discount code. If you guys want it, just DM me, right? And that's literally what I'm saying about take action. Just DM me. If you guys want a discount code for the first month, ask away and you shall receive. Okay, so for SPY, I'm looking for tomorrow a break of last week's highs of around 458.12. Okay, and then we should be able to retest the daily 50 SMA right here, which is sitting at around 459.50ish. Okay, so tomorrow 459.50ish to around 460 will be my target for SPY if we continue to move up higher. Okay, welcome, no stop loss. Haven't seen you in a good bit. Nice, I saw you on Monday. Never mind. So if some of you guys are wondering how do I remember some people, well, because I just have good memory when people join in. So don't be surprised if I remember you like from a few months back, a few weeks back, or even just a few days ago on Monday or Wednesday, whatever it is. So, all right. So since I think there's a few people here now, let's talk about some trade recaps from the CFO Single Watch. So for the people who are not in the CFO Single Watch, you guys should be able to see what we did this week, okay, what you guys missed out on, and how you should have traded it as well. And for the people who are in the CFO Discord and the CFO Single Watch as well, okay, we're gonna go over some trades, specifically DE, okay, DE. There were a lot of people who are struggling here, okay, when it first broke out. So some of the members, let me actually go to the 2-hour time frame here. All right, so actually, is the 1 hour better? Yeah, okay. So on the 1 hour here on DE, first off, the DE was a very, very, very good setup, and it was a RSS, a relative strength stock. And if you guys weren't in the CFO Single Watch and the CFO Discord, you guys wouldn't know which one is an RSS or a laggard stock because I gave it to my CFO Single Watch members only. Okay, but DE was one of them, and as DE started to break out yesterday, okay, we saw an immense amount of volume coming in. All right, and as DE started to break out, my members quickly took profits as we started to shoot up. Okay, but I was kind of surprised that they took profits so quickly when we just broke out. All right, so these are one of the things, especially for the members who are were asking me how are you able to stay in for so long, right? So when we see the volume-based breakout here, right, and it's backed by volume, you don't want to get out too early, right? You just don't. Sure, you take profits, but when you're in a definitive breakout, why would you want to get out, right? The trend is to your favor, especially if you're in the right side, if you're to the long side. And so with that big movement to the upside, right, all you have to do is set up a stop loss below the low of the day on that breakout candle, right? So on the same day, if you want to get out, put a stop loss below or a little bit lower the low of the day on the candlestick where we broke out. So on yesterday's candlestick, the low of the day was 374.23. Okay, if we broke below that low of the day, that means the bears have come back, right? The bears have come back and the breakout has failed. So for DE, that's the main reason why I decided to hold, right? If you look at the 15-minute time frame, right, most people got out right here at this big dip. But guess what it was? We broke out of this descending level of resistance, right? So let me actually color it so you guys can see it well. A lot better here, right? So this is the level of resistance that we broke out of, okay? And we came back down, but guess what we did? We just came back down, retested that previous level of resistance, this descending level of resistance that we were looking to break out of, and bounced. And as we bounced, we saw more buying volume coming in, which meant the momentum was there. And as we start to break out, we continued to go up and up and up and up the entire day. And then once we started to flag, we went up even more until the very end of the day. And then today, I took profits the moment we broke to all-time highs. Okay, so that is a nice trade recap for you guys. All right, I got in around 378. Okay, 378. Okay, with option contracts, and I went out around 397 to 397.50. Okay, so DE was one of those big winners, and it's one of those CFO Swing Watch names that you guys should have known if you guys weren't in the CFO Swing Watch. All right, Fidget, you said price levels are key for holding winners longer. Also using a larger time frame context to determine the trend straight from CFO teachings. Exactly. Yes, you're exactly right. Okay, so Fiji is one of my CFO traders, pro traders. So if you guys don't know who he is, he's an amazing scalper, amazing day trader. He's one of those. He's one of the traders who sends out some amazing signals as well. But he is 100% correct there, guys. Technical analysis wizard has good memory, makes sense. You're right. Yes, having good memory is really helpful during times like this when you are having when you're reliant on your TA. So DE, it was a great trade recap. We hit all-time highs, and you guys are wondering, wait a second, if we didn't break below, right? If we didn't break below today's low today, why did you get out? Right? Is anyone wondering that right now? Right? You're wondering, hey Andrew, if you said during a breakout run, why would you get out? Right? If it didn't hit the low today of the candlestick. Is anyone thinking that right now? Just give me a message or give me a thumbs up if you guys are thinking that right now. Because I have a very good answer for it that you guys should write down or remember. Hey, welcome, Ahmed. Welcome, Jazz1. Is anyone thinking that right now? Anyone? If you guys aren't, perfect. Because I'll still give you the answer. So, whenever a stock hits all-time highs, okay, you either have one or two reactions. One, you either keep on moving upwards. Okay, you either keep on moving upwards and upwards and upwards and upwards, right? Or number two, you immediately reject. Okay, and today we went all the up, right? Except I saw a lot of resistance coming in. Okay, a lot of resistance. Okay, instead of seeing that continuous momentum up, right? So if you look at the 15-minute time frame, guys, if I wanted to see a continuation of the momentum, I would have wanted to see, okay, an immediate retest of the 10 SMA on the 15-minute time frame, an immediate bounce. Instead, we lost that. So we're losing some steam here. Okay, so instead of getting caught between that, I decided to just take profits, okay, around 80%. Okay, my return was 80%. That's huge on those option contracts, right? And I also had debit spreads as well, which is even better. So with DE, I took profits around 397 to 397.50. Right, sure, I left some room here, but it's only like 3 points. Right, I mean I have no regrets there. Right. Yes, that reverse hammer was a trigger, exactly. So, there's signs that we need to start consolidating here soon. And also, if you come back to the bigger time frame, right, just like Fiji said here in the pinned comment, looking at the larger time frame, looking at the bigger picture, I need to wait for the 10 SMA and the 20 SMA to catch up. Okay, so for some time now, we're gonna start flagging underneath 397. Why did I say that? First of all, we rejected off of 397 today. We closed below it. I would have been very bullish if we closed above 397. However, we did not, right? And so this could potentially become a double top here. Okay, right here, and today's candlestick. So instead of risking that, right, why not take profits into strength into all-time highs? Did that make sense, guys? If you guys want me to clarify more, tell me. Tell me in the chat. Make sense? Perfect. Okay, so with that in mind, okay, DE still a very, very good stock. All right, it was one of those RSS or relative strength stocks that I have been looking at since right over here. Okay, since mid-January, and guess what happened, right? Because of the fact that I kept on looking at it, because of the fact that it had relative strength, I had my CFO Swing Watch members continuously look at it as well and make sure that they did not forget about these nice relative strength stocks. Because when you have such good relative strength while the market is going down and pulling back, they tend to break out when the market is bouncing. And my CFO Swing Watch members, everyone who's watching right now, this is proof, right? Remember, I was saying weeks ago, right? You guys will see. I was basically telling you guys that you guys will see once the market starts to bounce, these stocks will go absolutely crazy. Okay, and DE did exactly that. Does that make sense for the people who are in the CFO Swing Watch? So hopefully you guys also learned something as well. But obviously you guys have been learning and earning thanks to the CFO Swing Watch. Hey, what's up, Brown? So if you guys are confused on what RSS is or relative strength stocks, and if you don't know how to even find it, take a look at my live video from last week. Okay, I think it was last Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken, or last Monday. It's one of those days. But the title is How to Find Our Relative Strength Stocks, RSS. Okay, and once you have done watching that, take a look at how to find lagger stocks as well, which is a good segue to my next trade recap. ASAN, Asana. So ASAN was another name that was given this Sunday, okay, this week on Sunday night in the CFO Swing Watch. All right, and this was Monday right here, okay, excuse me, right here, one Monday. And the reason why I chose this is that it's not a relative strength stock, right? I mean, obviously it's not an RSS, guys. All right, it's not an RSS, but what it is that it's a laggard stock. How did I know this? So when QQQ, the overall tech sector, was bouncing, the overall major tech names, Asana was not bouncing at all. Instead, it was consolidating. It was making a base. It was preparing itself to break out. And so when the overall markets decide to chop around, not move or do anything, guess what decided to move? Asana, right? And this is also kind of the plays where you need to have some experience before getting to the play. And the reason why is that through years of experience, I was able to see that money tends to flow out and in to names that are lagging like this, right? And so, you know, it's something that I can't really explain. Something that you just have to gain through experience. And you know, Asana is one of those names that not a lot of people were watching because of the fact that it's been down like over 70, almost 70% here from all-time highs. And so people tend to lose interest whenever a stock tends to dive like that, right? But I tend to look at names that have dived, right? That are lagging in its relative overall sector. And like I said before, guys, if you guys don't know how to find lagger stocks, take a look at my previous lives on my Instagram page. Right, I have how to find lagger stocks, how to find relative strength stocks as well, both of them. So make sure you guys watch at least 20 to 25 minutes, the first 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, if you guys watch the whole live, you guys will learn a lot. So if you guys want to have a better screen to look at, just go to my YouTube channel, subscribe, and take a look at my previous lives. Right, but for Asana, amazing trade. Right. Nearly a 200% trade for me here for Asana, right? You know, this is where Asana here, right? I was looking for a breakout above this descending or falling wedge, okay? And so this descending resistance trend line, right? It's sitting kind of pretty around 52 to around 51. So yesterday, like DE, Asana decided to break out heavy with a lot of buying coming in compared to Monday. And so, as we went up and up and up, we closed way above last week's highs. And so, thanks to the close above last week's highs, that allowed us to see, and it gave a lot of buying confidence that we can continue to go up, which was today. And that's exactly what we did as we broke above 57, which is a crucial reversal price level. And so tomorrow, or in the next few days, we're either going to see consolidation, or we either have one last euphoric move towards 65, which is around the daily 50 SMA. Okay, and that's where I would take profits. All right. So I already took profits today. You know, I can't lie to you guys about that. But I take profits because of the fact that 61.50 to 61 was the previous level where we decided to break down with a lot of volume here. Okay, so this was, if I give you guys a better view here. Okay, so 61.50 right here. This is where we broke down support with a lot of volume here. Okay, so that means a lot of sellers are persistent around 61 to 61.50. So I'm not going to risk that, right? I had a very good run, so why would I risk, you know, shaving off my profits when I know exactly where the sellers were at previously? Okay, so Asana was one of those names that were amazing, and is one of those trade recaps that you guys should always remember, especially to the people right now in the live who are in the CFO Stream Watch and are members of the CFO Discord. Okay, so make sure you guys remember the DE and Asana. Okay. Fiji, you said TPI Composites made a lot of equity gains on this back when I first started investing. Last time I looked at it, it was pretty low from all-time high. TPI Composites. Oh, TPIC. Right. That makes sense. That's a better. Ooh. So the reason why, okay, so there's a big reason why I don't like this, Fiji. Sure, this can bounce. I can see why you're saying that, because we're right at the IPO lows back in 2016, and we're at the lows from the coronavirus dip in March. So we can have a triple bottom bounce here. Okay, I'm not gonna lie about that. I mean, we can't see a short squeeze here on this name, potentially here. But we've completely retraced nearly 100% from all-time highs. Right, and we can go lower. That's the funny thing about the stock market, right? We can go lower even if we had an 80% move lower, 90% move lower, or even 100% move lower. Okay, from all-time highs. But yes, CPI. This can be a very good runner. I just need to see some support around $9. Okay, around 9.20ish as we're going lower. And if you have to have a nice parabolic move, I would say short squeeze to $15 is highly plausible. Hope that makes sense. 6-star, I'll do Tesla soon. Okay, so for people who are not in the CFO Swing Watch, okay, so there were a lot of people who were on the sidelines on Saturday and Sunday, right? And even if I've said, hey, you know what? Just get in for a discount, right? Use the discount code and get in for the first month, right? They still didn't join. And they could have made back 3 times, 5 times, 10 times the subscription fee with the discount. Guys. If they just played one name from the CFO Swinger Watch, like a song. Just one name. Okay? So, I mean, it's all about taking action here. If they had taken action on Saturday and Sunday, they could have made back way more than the membership for the first month already. Okay, and for the people on the live right now, but the people in my CFO Single Watch and the Discord who are watching right now, you guys can attest to this, right? I mean, you guys literally seen the names from the CFO Single Watch go absolutely crazy this week, right? So for the people who haven't taken action, right? You guys should have. I mean, it's a shoulda, woulda, coulda situation, but hey, that's on you. I gave you guys a discount code that you guys can use over the weekend, right? But you guys just didn't use it, right? So, I'm just, it's literally sorry not sorry situation, literally. So I really don't have anything else to say to that. I've gone over over 100 requests this year, okay. And most of them are about, hey, are you providing a discount code? I'm kind of still on the sidelines, but why? Right? I gave you guys a discount code. You guys could have made it back 10 times, right? And so, yeah, Morris, you're exactly right. Just play and just watch this and you'll bank. Exactly. It's that easy, right? So, that's kind of my little tiny rant of the night. All right. I just want to tell you guys that, right? If you guys are still on the sidelines of joining, DM me. I'll give you guys a discount. Join. Right? It's not too late on anything. And I've still posted like 10 plus names, extra names to look at. And I'm going to be posting more tonight in the Discord. I'm going to post more names tonight in the Discord. Trust me on that. All right? Because I have a bunch of other names I want my CFO Discord and CFO Swing Watch members to play tomorrow and continuing to next week. So, like I said, if you guys are on the sidelines and not joined yet, I mean, come on, you guys could have made back way more than the subscription fee, like way more. And if you guys don't make it back by the first month, unsubscribe, right? No hard feelings. I mean, I literally could not, not pressure you, right? If you guys want to unsubscribe, go ahead, right? But you know, it's just one of those things that kind of gets me frustrated. You guys could have made back way more, and you guys don't even have to worry about the subscription fee, right? $50 per month with the discount. Okay, so that's my little tiny tangent there. But Tesla, yes, a lot of people are looking at Tesla. I am too. Okay. Yeah, Eloy, you're saying if all retail traders on one side, we're likely to do the opposite to screw people over, in my opinion. Yeah, yes. So the market makers can really fuck everyone over tomorrow. If everything is bullish initially, and then CPI numbers come out, right, and we can revert, completely go inverse on the morning move, okay, and then completely move to the downside, right? So easy, very, very good, very, very good. Okay, oops, and pin that back. There we go. So for Tesla, all right, this is very interesting. We are in a very, very big bull flag. And the reason why I say it's a very big macro bull flag, the price range between the flag support, the flag descending support, and the flag descending resistance is huge, or it's a couple hundred. So there's a very, very big macro bull flag, all right? But the momentum is still there, and we're still within the bull flag, so we haven't either breaking out with conviction or to the downside, right? We haven't either negated the bull flag or we haven't broken out of the bull flag and to the bull side. So you guys have to watch out, for Tesla, because if you try to play Tesla with conviction right now, there's no point, because we haven't broken to the upside or to the downside yet, right? So that's a general big picture idea that you guys have to watch out for Tesla. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys, for the people in the CFO Discord and the CFO Single Watch, I'm gonna post Tesla on my CFO Trade Ideas channel, and I'm gonna give you guys a couple contracts that I'm looking at that could be a potential play either tomorrow or into next week to swing. Yes, exactly, to swing. Okay, so make sure you guys are watching out for that. Fiji, you said Tesla spread is usually fucking bonkers for all the Tesla's greenhorns. Yeah, it is. It is. Hey, welcome, Jay. Mr. Loeb, Mr. Lob, Jay Lob. So, quick technical analysis on Tesla. We made some amazing levels so far. Okay, let's get this out of here. All right, so 940 to around 945-ish. Okay, I'll say 940 to 945 is a heavy level of resistance for Tesla here. So this is the 2-hour time frame, one of my favorite time frames here. And we're making a nice ascending triangle here. And that's very bullish. So whenever, here's a very quick lesson, guys. Okay, so if you guys want to write this down. As a swing trader, whenever I see an intraday time frame chart pattern, especially a bullish chart pattern, I call that a micro chart pattern. All right. And so if you see a micro bullish chart pattern, all right, in the 2-hour time frame, which coincides with the broader macro bullish flag chart pattern, that's a little bit bullish there. All right. So in my own experience as a swing trader, and as a swing trader who mainly trades breakouts to the upside, whenever I see an intraday bullish chart pattern that's coinciding with a macro bullish chart pattern, that's usually there's some conviction there that the bulls are wanting to take this up higher. Okay, so make sure you guys are watching out for that. Morris, it's an inverted head and shoulder. Yeah, I mean that's true. It's kind of a weird inverted head and shoulders, right? There's the left shoulder, the inverted head, and then like 2 right shoulders. A minute butt, right? So this is the reason why I didn't say it was an inverted head and shoulders. That's my point, literally. So I that's the reason why I said it's a ascending triangle here rather than a inverted HNS. Let me get that out. Okay, so it's the only way that we can play Tesla tomorrow is that if we break above 945 with conviction, or if you guys want to have real less risk, 960 is your level to break out. Like literally 960 is the reversal intraday for us to go right all the way back up to 980. Okay, so watch out for Tesla there. All right, it's looking very, very juicy. And for people in the CFO Swing Watch and CFO Discord, watch out for the analysis I'll give you guys tomorrow. Tonight, not tomorrow. But I am looking at some contracts for Tesla into next week. So if we see good price action tomorrow, I might just personally swing it as well. I might go a little bit heavy because I'm liking what I'm seeing here. Right? Why? Micro bullish chart pattern with a simultaneous macro bullish chart pattern. Okay? And we've consolidated so well. Okay? So, no risk, no worry. Opening bell warriors, let's go. Exactly. I do have a frame that says no risk, no worry, but I don't have it right now, so I guess I can't show you guys right now. No idea where I put it. But Tesla looks absolutely juicy. Okay, and then another trade recap that I want to do. All right, so is everyone clear on Tesla? Excuse me. Give me a nice thumbs up if everything is clear here. I know there's a time lag, so you guys might be hearing, what I'm saying, like literally almost like 20 seconds, I think. Okay, perfect. So now let's take a look at Facebook, FB or Metaverse, Meta platform. So in the CFO Discord yesterday, right before close, I took FB Lottos. Okay. And the reason why I took FB Lottos is that, first of all, Facebook is one of those laggard stocks. Little hint there. Hint. So everyone who's kind of frantically searching, hey, Andrew is set to look at laggard stocks. So what laggard stocks should I look at? Well, here you go. FB is one of them. I'll also give you guys another one after FB. So make sure you guys write this down, right? So, Slickstar, you're welcome. So, I hope to see you here more often. I'm doing these lives Monday and Wednesday, 7:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, so Slickstar, make sure you're following my Instagram channel and my YouTube channel. Okay, all the links are in my bio. And Slickstar, if you want to join the CFO Swing Watch, DM me. All right, if you want a discount code for the first month, DM me. I'll give it to you, right? I want to see some action takers, right? There's been way too many people, literally like over 50 to 60 people who've asked me in the past for discount codes, and they haven't done anything. Right? And they could have made money every single damn week with CFO, with Charts Focus 1. Right? The plays are here. You guys will make money. You guys will make that $50 back with the discount code. So that's like $25 or $30 depending on what discount code there is, or I give you. So, if you guys are afraid to make back $50 or $30 or $25, I don't know what to say. Right? I literally have no idea what to say to you guys. You guys, well, there's only one thing to say. You guys aren't fit for trading. That's it. Literally it. I can't. That's the only thing that I can say to you guys. You guys aren't fit to trade. If you guys can't risk $10, $50, $70, $100, right? If you can't even risk $50 of a subscription, right? I don't know what to tell you, right? Most of the tradable stocks are above $50 and $100, right? So, I don't know what to say. If you guys can't even invest your own money into stocks like that, what makes you think that you guys can, subscribe to the CFO Swing Watch, right? And even ask me for a discount code. You know what I mean? So trading is all about learning to enjoy the fire. Yes. Morris, you said I just want to video Friday and signal that recap that one for today. Of course. Yeah. So Morris, yeah. So he's one of my CFO Pro traders as well, along with Fiji here. For all the people who are watching right now. So Morris, amazing swing from NVIDIA. He did absolutely amazing. He killed it, right? Because first of all, the semiconductors were very strong, and they were all relative strength stock sectors. Okay, that whole sector was a huge relative strength sector. So I'll go over that, Morris. So for FB here, okay, no stop loss. What's your record day? Record day, as in like profit wise? Record day? Dior, welcome. It's good to see you back. Awesome to see you back, man. Ollie, what's up? Yeah, Dior. So I'm gonna go over PayPal after Facebook. Yeah, so Facebook and PayPal were both of my plays. No stop loss. My record day was 5 figures. FB did good today. Yes. So for Facebook here, so I signaled it here. Okay. So as a lotto, yeah, for a little bit of fun here. I like to have a little bit of fun too as well. So for yesterday, okay. So I want you to work on 6 figures this year. Thank you. You know what? Hey, why not? Why the fuck not? Right? So, the thing is though, guys, I know my risk. After 5 years, I know what I want to risk. Okay, I literally know what I want to risk. That's one of the hardest things to actually know, because everyone has a different mentality, different emotional states, different amount of money, right? And so depending on how your risks are, right, your risk tolerance, you will either everyone's going to be different. Everyone will have unique profits. Everyone have unique losses, right? And so for me, I tend to want to have a little bit of a more risk managed style, which means I tend to take less risk than most others, right? So if you guys are wondering about my trading style with risk, that's your answer right there. Okay. Hey Tim, what's up? So we got a lot of new people in here. Awesome. So it's one of those things that you guys need to work on. No one can teach you that. Okay? No one can teach you that. Let me tell you that right now. No one can teach you how much you can risk. Everyone understand? Really. Like literally. No one can teach you that. Alright? If someone tells you that they can teach you how much you can risk, they're bullshitting you. They're gonna screw you over. Alright? That's your right to learn. It's your own right for you to learn. No one can teach you, no one can tell you what to risk. Alright? The more you know about how comfortable you are with your risk, the better you'll be in the trading. Because as you know, because if you know your risk tolerance, you can stay disciplined to that risk tolerance. Does that make sense, guys? Everyone, does that make sense? Right? So if anyone tells you that they can teach you about how much risk that you can put on, or your risk tolerance, or increase your risk tolerance, that's BS. Okay? You risk 7K on Peloton and you're down 33%. Oof. I'm still holding. Expires March 14th. Well, good luck on that, man. Good luck. Truly. I truly, I really hope that you do well. Yes, Elo, you're right. Always have good risk in mind when getting in a trade, or that trade is gonna have you panic selling. Exactly. And this is also another reason why, Elo, you're a CFO Swing Watch member, man. You bought after your rally. Oof. Well, you know what? You have a couple weeks left, right? And who knows? There might be another bid for Peloton. You might even get another bid pump. So good luck on that. Okay. I mean, you need a risk, right? You're risking 7K. So it's one of those things that I think you can manage, hopefully. Hey, what's up, T? Happy belated birthday to you and to me. Okay, so Facebook. I said to take lottos on Facebook, and I also got 10 shares in equity down here. I low bottom fished around 218 and 217. Okay, so actually I think my average price is still around 218 point 20ish, like 218.20ish, with 10 shares. Right, that was a starter position. But because of the fact that we rallied today and we opened up and gapped up, I couldn't add. Right, I don't want to add yet. Right, because I don't want to increase my average. Because I mean, why would you want to do that? But you know what? It's with 10 shares, I'm fine. It could be a great swing trade. And first of all, daily time frame. Oh my God, one of my most favorite candlestick chart patterns are up here. Can anyone tell me what this is? Anyone? Hey, 96, what's up? T, thank you, and you're welcome. Let's get it for real, man. So, FV here, okay? This is showing a Morningstar chart pattern. This is one of my favorite, okay? So here's a little bit fun fact about me. A Morningstar chart pattern is one of my favorite chart patterns. Why? Because it gives you so much conviction, right? We have a couple rules here. The left candlestick on the Morningstar doji right here, right? Or okay, yeah, T, an island reversal, right? So right here, okay, we have our very big bearish candlestick, and usually this is when most of the shorts are getting out. Okay, and then we have our doji where we opened up below support, okay, at 224, and 224. If you guys don't know, if you go on the weekly time frame, okay, that was a previous area of support. Oh, where did my lines go? Okay, right here on the weekly time frame back in mid-May and mid-June. That was a heavy level of support. Okay, and so we closed below it, but we formed a doji because buyers and sellers were fighting. Okay, they were fighting to see if whether or not we're going to stay above 224 or below 224, and that's what created this doji, a stalemate between the buyers and sellers. Does that make sense? Right? So today, I got the reaction that I exactly wanted. On the right candlestick on the Morningstar doji, we need a bullish candlestick, and that's exactly what we got. We got a gap up, and we broke the highs of the doji. So this is one of those plays that can reward us for multiple months. Okay, a Morningstar doji. So this is the reason why I got Facebook, and this is the reason why you guys should watch Facebook for the rest of the damn week. All right, I've been giving you guys plays. Right, if you guys are not in the CFO Discord and the CFO Streaming Watch, you guys are missing out. I give you guys a perfect entry there. I long bottomed, right, at this candlestick, and you guys could have gotten in with me if you guys were in the Discord. But no, you guys decide to stay on the sidelines. Come on, guys, let's go. I'm just hyped up, guys. I'm just really hyped up. So yeah, so T, island reversal, VG, that bullish engulfing, everything's correct there. But overall, bigger picture, like I always like to have, right, in my mind. Morningstar doji candlestick. Okay, so I think for Facebook here, there's a lot better chance, okay, that you can see a nice increase to the upside, a nice reversal, a continuation of reversal, because of the fact that we are seeing Facebook as a laggard stock as well. Dior, just do the math, right? 10 shares around 218, and just base it off of today's closing price. It's easy. That should be easy. Come on. If you know your risk, you should know your math. Okay. Hey, I'm Troy. What's up? What is up? Eloy, I love playing back tests and supports or resistances either way. On a bounce or rejection, I'll play either side. Yes. Yeah. You're exactly right. But with that in mind, guys, Facebook officially a laggard stock. So if the market goes down tomorrow, you guys can most likely get a dip entry on Facebook. Okay, especially if you gap down in the morning. If you open up with a gap down, you guys should be able to get a nice dip entry on Facebook again. If you guys missed the entry because you guys weren't in the CFO Discord because of the fact that you guys are on the sidelines, right? I'm just getting a little bit, a little angry at the fact that people have missed out because they didn't join. Because they didn't join even with the discount code. Hey, M. Troy, I missed you too. M. Troy, XLF? Yes, I'll go over that. Ooh. Right? Alright, so let's look at PayPal. PayPal. PYPL. PayPal. PPPYL. PPYPPL. Anyone have questions? Anyone? Brian, you said reversal. Yep. Yeah, Facebook reversal. I missed you too. I'm sure. Or did I already say that? I'll double miss you, man. Hey, Sean, what's up? So, PYPL, I'm in long. I forgot which contracts, but I'm kind of having a little lotto here for PayPal as well. I think I have next week's. Oh, that's right. I have 130. 130 strike. Expiring next week, February 18th. Okay, I triple missed you. Fiji. That breaks my heart. You don't know that. Tensions rising at the Russian-Ukrainian border. What's your number one choice for cause if war is announced? Fiji, my heart. You should know that one. If you read the market summary the last 2 weeks. Oh my God. Coop, what are you doing to me? You should know what that is. It's a commodity play. Everyone that's here for Single Watch. Everyone that's here for Discord. M. Troy, why would you say it? Delete that right now. Delete that name right now. Delete it. Nah, I'm just joking, guys. So UNG. So so UNG is my number one play. Even Biden, I think it was yesterday or today on a conference. He said he's going to what do you call it? He said he's going to stop one of the pipelines. Okay, major pipeline. And guess what that pipeline is? Natural gas, right? So it's kind of a big brain play there on Biden. Because if Biden has, calls on UNG, he'll do amazing, right? And Troy, I know you're not in the group, man. What's up with that? What's up with that, man? Where you at? I told you I'm going to give you a discount code, right? I need people to join. People are always on the silence saying, "Hey, what was the play?" I'm like, you could have seen it if you guys were in the Discord, right? So, it's on you for not joining. M-Troy, do you think there will be war? There's a good chance. There's a good chance. Because why not? Right? Back in 2014, we had a war in the Crimean Peninsula between Russia and Ukraine. So why not? Right? And there were sanctions on Russia at that time as well. And my CFO Single Watch members, you guys should know what happened to UNG back in 2014. Go back to the market summary for this week. You guys should know. 311 minus 4.5. What do you mean? Well, what does that mean? Oh, okay. I was about to say minus 4.5. And Troy, you gotta join, man. I know you're gonna benefit. I know you can. You can even give some great value in there as well. We need to build this family up. It's gonna be the biggest, best family out there. Okay. We're all gonna be millionaires and billionaires. Trust me. Okay. But PayPal here, 124 today. It hit exactly almost 124, 3 cents off at the highs, and that's what I wanted to see. I want to see a retest, and at the very least, and the reason why I want to see a retest, first of all, is that means bulls are still active. Right, we're coming back to a previous level of support, and now we're using as a resistance here. Right, so make sure you guys are on top of PayPal as well. Laggard stock, just like FB. Sorry, Meta platforms. Okay, the ticker symbol is still FB. They're gonna change it to Meta soon, I believe, sometime this year. But we broke out, all right, and we stayed above 120.50 and 121, which is my goal. And we continue to go up higher from that point forward. Okay, I'll be the spoil steps. Sure, man, sure. Just join, man, just join. I'm telling you, you will benefit, man. Okay, so PayPal, definitely watch this one. Fiji, the calls there looking spicy. I'll check, but we'll talk more about it in Discord. And Eloy, let's go over SC. Yes, perfect. SC is very, very good. So SC, finally breaking out the channel here. Long descending channel here. Okay. And also, Chinese internet names have been going crazy. Okay, I believe, yeah. So, you know, it's just one of those things that I think you guys should watch out for, because Chinese names, especially internet names. So the ETF for that is Queb. Okay, if you guys didn't know, because if you're not in the CFO Single Watch, then that's on you. Because I mentioned Queb, like a month ago. So, SC, Eloy, lots of room to move to 190 and eventually 200. That's all I got to say. Like, there's a good move. There's a good amount of room to move. If he tomorrow, I'm gonna expect a low tiny red day. So if you consolidate a little bit, if you have a very low volume pullback, something like this, back down to 160 here. Okay, on this level. This is 160 right here, guys. Okay. If you come back down to 160 and retest it with lower volume, right? And if we bounce with good volume, there's a good chance that we can go back above 170 and then break out towards 190. 180 first. Okay, where did my levels go, man? There you go. So 180, and then 190, and eventually 200. Okay, Eloy? I'll make sure to put this in the Discord as well, because I'm watching this from today's action as well. So I just forgot to put this in the CFO Discord. But Eloy, remind me though. I do get quite busy at nighttime responding to messages and emails. So so SE, that's basically it for SE. I mean, okay. All right, so we'll go over NVIDIA now. So NVIDIA is a recap. Eloy, I'll do that last. So that'll be the last ticker symbol here, guys. Okay, I'm crossing the 1 hour mark here. So NVIDIA is one of the other trade recaps from last week, called by our special CFO pro trader here, Morris. So round of applause to him. Okay, he had an amazing swing trade. All right, he had the same swing trading qualities like me. He did absolutely amazing. The percentage gains on that swing was absolutely crazy. All right, it's anything over 50% is amazing. But NVIDIA here. So on Friday he called us out. Okay, wait, hold on, let me see. Right here. All right, so we came back to retest the 240 level here. Okay, and I don't really remember the exact entry for the NVIDIA call that Morris put in the CFO Discord, but it was very close to around here. Okay, and so on a daily time frame, we retested the 10 SMA, which is very good, right? We came back down, with lower volume, retested and bounced, and we continued to bounce the very next week. And so he kept on swinging it, right? Because we were making higher highs, higher lows, right? So why not? If we're making higher highs and higher lows, what does that mean? That's very good for an uptrend, right? That's very bullish, right? And if we're making lower lows and lower highs, that's very good to the downside. Simple, really, really simple. Hey, what's up, Jet? Juan. Juan is Jet Trades here, is one of my other CFO Pro traders here. Okay, it looks like we have the whole gang here. Awesome. And Troy, I'll also go over XLF as well quickly. Okay, so NVIDIA, amazing strength. All semis were absolutely amazing. If you guys want to look at the semi ETF, okay, semiconductor, SMH. Okay, SMH or USD. All right. USD or SMH, they're practically the same thing. It's just USD is pro shares. Okay. All right. So amazing strength with good volume on the overall SMH ETF here, right? You point out like tomorrow. You know what? All of us just might as CFO, you know. So Fiji, just letting you know. You know, I might just get in too. You never know. But we'll see. Hey Nino! Oh my God! Now the whole gang is here. Jet, yeah, 950 could work too. I did say 940 to 945, so 950, even better, right? More confirmation. Yeah, Fiji, 5-figure day. You get those soon, man. You get those. Eloy, yeah, everyone's on. The whole gang's here. So, actually, Eloy, you know what? Let me announce this live, guys. Eloy is going to be our next CFO Pro trader. Eloy, I'll message you on Discord. I was lagging there yesterday or Monday. So Eloy is our next CFO Pro trader. Everyone give a round of applause. He's shown extreme dedication. Okay, extreme. You know, he's been showing some amazing trades. Okay, you know, and he's been showing the mentality that we need in the CFO Discord. And guess what, guys? For the people on the sidelines, Eloy was on the sideline as well, but he joined right away when I told him to just take action. Okay, and guess where he's at now, right? Eloy has been going crazy, right? And he has some great discipline that I haven't seen in a while. Okay, and even with his mentality, I love his mentality, right? And so he's perfect for a CFO Pro trader. Okay, so everyone welcome him in. If you guys want to see his plays, join the CFO Discord, just like Eloy did. He just took action, and he just got in. Okay, he just got in, right? And he wasn't worried about the subscription fee. He knew he would make it back, right? That's his mentality there. So, congratulations, Eloy. I'll message you, all right? You have a new role in the Discord, and you'll be in the private group chat as well. Fiji, yeah, we're pushing P, man. Morris, where the hell were you? Nah, you're good. But Eloy is our new CFO Pro trader. Morris. He has joined the team. Yes. So Dior, I believe for SMH. Would you see it going tomorrow? 290. 290 is a good level for SMH. Okay. 290 to 290.50. Yes, so congratulate Eloy, guys. He has shown extreme dedication, extreme, you know. I mean, he's been showing just everything has been great, like literally. So, congrats to him. Dotgun, what is this? This kind of looks like Celsius Holdings, SELH. Eloy, DOCN. Looks exactly like CLEH here, Celsius. So let's go back to DOCN. Huh. Juan. I'll go over roadblocks in the CFO Discord. XLF is my last one, and I'm gonna turn the stream off. But so for Dawkins, the entry was above 60. We're seeing increasing volume here, which I like. So we're still not exactly at the descending level of resistance just yet. Actually, no, we just touched it today. Wow. Yeah, we touched it today. So tomorrow, if we come back down tomorrow in the overall markets, $60 can be another great entry again for another retest and bounce. But with the increased volume today, we might just break out tomorrow above the highs of the today. Right, the highs of today was 63.54. So if we break above 64 tomorrow, there's a good chance we fill the gap right here. So all the way to 65, and eventually we can hit 67.50. Okay, Eloy? Did that make sense? Hopefully that did. You have some amazing TA skills as well, so many full ports available. Juan, you're crazy, man. Which is why you're a CFO trader as well, pro trader. We need some craziness in the group. Okay, so let's look at XLF. Yeah, so XLF was it's a little weak. XLF has been strong though, no doubt. Right, we're right back to all-time high, near all-time highs, and I'm very, very bullish on XLF from this point forward, all of 2022. The CFO Stream Watch members and CFO Discord members, you guys should know why. You guys should know why. Okay. You guys should know why. I'm gonna say this one more time. You guys should know why I'm bullish on the financial sector. Okay, but for XLF here, we might get a retest. We might come back down to 40.50 or just flag. All right, the best scenario here will be flagging. All right, yes, and Troy. But you can play puts tomorrow, or you can scalp this to the downside. There could be a good chance we go down tomorrow on XLF. Thinking half port testing calls. Oof, Fiji. Good luck. But hey, you know, it's all about risk taking. So if it works for you, perfect. I'm gonna congratulate you so hard. Yes, and Troy, see, you're on the top of the line here, man. We need the value. We need more people who know what they're doing. Join the CFO family. Hey, everyone in the live right now who's in the CFO Discord and the CFO Streaming Watch, go pressure M Troy. Pressure him to come in. Go egg him on. Come on. He has the value. He has the knowledge. We need more of that in the CFO Discord. M Troy, you gotta join, man. You gotta join. Okay, so that's really it for XLF. I mean, I expect new all-time highs again. I mean, why not? We came right. We made a V-shaped recovery here, right? And we're right near all-time highs again, around 41.70. All right. So why don't we? So why don't we just break it? We hold Elon Musk's hand. Yeah. Our Techno King. I hold your hand. Oh, what a great family we've made so far, guys. I'm glad to see everyone here in the live. Awesome. So, that's XLF. Okay. What else do we have here? I think that's it, right? No, hold on. I trust you. I'll tell him send it Tippy or Rippy, not Tippy. So yeah, that's it for tonight, guys. Juan, I'll do Roblox in the CFO Discord. I'll give you guys a little update. But Roblox looks very amazing, by the way. We saw a huge volume today on Roblox, so absolutely amazing. Okay. You know what? Fine. You guys are egging me on. And Troy, I'm gonna do RCO in the Discord. Okay. I'm gonna do it in the Discord. If you're not in, you're not gonna see it. A3A swag, is that what it is? What's up, A swag 318? Roblox, we're gonna break out this descending channel. One. Above 72, rocket mode. Okay. Above 72 is rocket mode. Literally, until we hit 77.50. Yeah, Juan? So, this could be good. Roblox can be very good. Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna show you a low time trade that I have on Roblox. I got it right here. I got leaps. I got the $100 strike leaps for next year, January 2023. Yeah, Dior, link in my bio. Dior, are you in my Discord? Okay. So M Troy, just for you, I'll do RCL. RCL. Okay. Chris, Spot, last one. Last one. Okay. A-Swag, yes. Roblox is good tomorrow. Once we break the highs of today's candlestick, above 72, okay, that's definitely a trade that you can take tomorrow. If we break above today's highs, okay. The CFO Pro traders, I'll show you guys my position on Roblox. The percentage that I've gained from that return on the $100 strike call on next year's expiration. And guess what? That was Nancy Pelosi's position. I bet she's out now. Or I never know. She might have averaged down. But whew, it's looking juicy, very juicy. RCL. Nothing to look at really. I'm Troy. We might reject tomorrow, to be honest. Good volume today though, obviously. Right, all tech stocks were going crazy. Right, RCL getting to the cloud business as well, I believe. Yeah, we might reject down tomorrow. Like maybe to 82.50, 83, and maybe you might see bounce. Chet, you're about to see me on the tape tomorrow. Maybe. Okay, so RCL, nothing much to see here. I don't really like it. It's kind of forming a bear flag too. I mean, it is a bear flag. Sorry. So if we bounce tomorrow at 82.50 or 83, we can break out. Or if you just break above 84, okay, if you just break above 84, as simple as that, you can long it. Okay. Yeah, Roblox one that breaks and you sleep. Exactly. That's why I like I love Roblox here. And Chris, last one. All right, this is the last one, guys. Spotify. Nothing to see here. Yeah. We're back to IPO highs. We're back in the range of the IPO highs here. All we need to do is break above 180. Okay, 180 is a confirmation or reversal on spot, and we can bounce back to the 200s for spot. But nothing to see here, to be honest. But spot can be a good reversal once we're back above 180. Okay? Yes. Everyone understood? Yeah, I don't like spot too, hon. EU spot is correct. Spot is a very wiki name, and the price action on that is really crappy. So, but spot is one of those names that you can swing trade though. Day trading, no, not too much. Okay. Hey Jade, I haven't seen you in a while. Welcome. So spot, good trade tomorrow if we break above 180. But nothing to see here unless we break 180. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna set up alert for spot. It's good for a swing here. So let's see, 180.05. Yeah. Let's set up the alerts. Alert is set. Also set up an alert on this line here, on this horizontal line, and alert once per bar. Bam. 2 alerts set. Okay. All right. Brian, can you do Tesla in Discord? Oh. Brian, you missed the Tesla when I first did it. But hey, I did say I was going to post Tesla. So I'm going to post Tesla, okay? And I'm going to post Roblox as well, updates. Okay, and I'm going to post a lot more tonight, the extra names. Okay? So everyone in the Discord who's in the live right now, watch out for those names. I'm gonna go over Tesla first, and then I'm gonna go over what else? What did I just say right now? Oh yeah. So I'll just add all the other names, guys. Roblox, Tesla, and everything else. Okay. Andrew sounds hyped today. Yes. I just have some good energy today, guys. That's it. As a swing trader, I'm usually very lazy. That really is, right? As a swing trader, you should be lazy. If you're not fucking lazy, then what are you doing as a swing trader? Right? Swing trading is when you just do nothing. Stay patient, enter in, sleep. You make money in your sleep when you swing. Right? And if you guys aren't in the Save a Single Watch, guys, you guys should join. Join. Just join. Take action. Literally. Okay? Come on. Take action. Alright? Too much nature energy? Guys, don't drink coffee. Drink honey water. Let me put you on, guys. My CFO pro traders, my family, my little fam. Don't drink coffee. Drink honey water. Trust me. The first thing that you do when you open your eyes, drink honey water. It feels so nice. Alright, you feel like you have a clear head. Okay, a clear conviction when you trade as well. Okay, make sure you guys drink honey water or burdock tea. Sure, or licorice tea. Okay, licorice tea is very nice too. I'm in the buying treatment. funny. Okay, so people who are not in the CFO Discord, join. If you want a discount code, DM me. All right. Fiji, yes, elderberry is good too. You mentioned that once before. Yes, elderberry is very nice to drink. All right, I'll see everyone in the Discord. All right, I hope I can see the people who aren't joined. Join tonight. Okay, you guys won't regret it. Really. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys a clap for joining in advance. Okay, everyone clap for the people who aren't, who are on the sidelines and haven't joined yet. Just clap for them in advance, right? Motivate them to come, right? They're not, they're not gonna join unless you give them motivation. You know what I mean, right? So, I'll see you guys next week. All right. Like I said, these lives are on Monday and Wednesday, same time. 7:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Dior, you say you're gonna join tomorrow? All right, tomorrow. I better see you in there, man. Okay. Just take action. You guys won't ever regret joining the CFO family. You guys won't. You guys simply just won't. I can 10,000% guarantee you guys that if you guys join the first month, if you don't like it, you can unsubscribe, right? But I can 10,000% guarantee you that you guys would have enjoyed your stay with CFO. Okay? You guys will enjoy being the CFO Discord and getting the CFO Swing and Watch newsletters for 4 straight weeks. Okay? And if you guys want to unsubscribe after that, fine. Go ahead. Right? I mean, I'm not going to pressure you guys. Right? So if you guys don't make enough money to recover the subscription fee, I mean, you guys can unsubscribe. Right? I mean, that's my insurance there for you all. Okay, so I hope you guys can join by tonight or tomorrow, like Dior said here. All right, so Dior, hopefully you can join by tomorrow. Anthony, welcome. We're ending the stream right now, so I apologize. You can watch the first few minutes though, like first 30 minutes or so. I go over the trades that we made. Anthony, but you made some amazing trades. You have a Son. You made a great trade on gold. You made a good trade on bros. So absolutely incredible, Anthony. So good job on that. All right. Have a great rest of your night. For the people on the CFO Discord right now in the live, I'll see you guys all back in there. I'll post Tesla, Roblox, and everything else that I'm looking at. And I want you guys to look at. And have a great rest of your night, guys. I'll see you guys all next Monday. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Good night.